welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany and I make soap here at Belle Valley Soaps. Today we are making this caramel apple high top soap and it smells delicious. It smells just like coffee. Oh, I had so much fun making this. It's got charcoal in there, my very first high top with some drizzle. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I can't wait to use this. Alright, so if you would like to check out more things that I do, you are free to visit our Facebook page as well as our Instagram right here, listed right there. Alright, so stay tuned. Let's get to soaping. are back to cut this beauty, which is the caramel coffee soap. And if you do remember, that black layer has charcoal in there. I'm excited to try that out. So we are just going to give this a whirl and see how it does. Maybe you can see. I think you can see there. So we're just going to get a quick end piece off. Okay. This is the first ever high top soap I have done, so let's see what the inside looks like. Oh yes, that's pretty grand. Okay. This soap is just a little soft still, so I may not cut the whole thing. I may just show you a few pieces. Okay. Oh, nice. Doesn't that look just like the whip topping? That's awesome. Okay. And it smells so great. And if you remember, we used 4 different colors in there. Oh yeah. Caramel coffee. And the tops are just so beautiful. I'm going to cut one more for you guys. Let's see, right there. Pretty. And there's the top of it. Alright guys, don't forget to like this video if you did, and also subscribe to the channel. And if you would like notifications when a new soap has come out, just go ahead and hit that bell button. Alright, y'all have a great day.